My name is Jeff, and this is Mohawk-Garage. Today I just got this new, seems to be a new updated grinder from Milwaukee, angle grinder, M18. I've got a couple of these actually, but I just burned one up the other day, so I ordered a new one off of Amazon. It was about 250 bucks. So notice a new little addition here with their new grinder. The locking nut has like a wing on it so that you can like easily twist the nut by hand and get it tight. Interesting. See how well it holds up. Alright, so here's the demo on the removal after Death Wheel has exploded. Flip up the tab, push the button, and yeah, twist it off. However, this thing is leaving way too many threads exposed on the top, which gets the threads burred up a little bit, makes it hard to get off. So there's some give and take.
That sucks.
Overall, it's pretty good though.